Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical for all you crypto enthusiasts out there. The title says it all. How to send XDC from Phantom Wallet to Bitmart in 2025. If you're holding XDC and want to move it over to Bitmart for trading or storage, you're in the right place. This guide is straightforward, step by step, and tailored for beginners, but even pros might pick up a tip or two. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're all set up. You'll need a Phantom wallet with some XDC in it. Phantom is that popular wallet for various blockchains, including Zinfins. Also, have your Bitmart account ready and verified. Oh, and remember, crypto prices can be volatile, so double-check everything before you proceed. Step 1. Open your Phantom Wallet app or extension. Log in securely and navigate to your wallet dashboard. Find your XDC balance. It should be listed under the Assets section. If it's not showing, ensure you've added the XDC network. It's based on the Shin-Fin blockchain. Step 2. Select the XDC you want to send. Click on it to open the details, then hit the Send button. You'll need to enter the recipient's address, which is from Bitmart. Head over to your Bitmart account, go to the Deposit section, and select XDC. Copy the deposit address they provide. It's crucial to get this right to avoid losing your funds. Step 3. Back in Phantom, paste that Bitmart address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of XDC you want to send, but leave enough for any network fees. Phantom will show you an estimated fee. Keep an eye on that, as it can vary based on network congestion in 2025. Step 4. Review everything carefully. Double-check the address, amount, and fees. Once you're confident, hit Confirm, and approve the transaction with your wallet's security features, like a password or biometric scan. After that, sit tight. Transactions on the Shin-Fin network are usually fast, but in 2025, with potential upgrades, it might take just a few minutes. Once it's confirmed, check your Bitmart account to see your XDC arrive. A quick word of caution. Always use the official apps and double-check addresses to prevent scams. If you're new to this, start with a small amount. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. See you in the next one. Stay safe out there.